Good morning everyone. Today I'm looking at the Golden Hour brand. I haven't looked at this brand yet. So yeah, I thought I'd stop that trend and go for it today. So let's look at the box. We've got a sort of a plain, it's quite thin but it's quite light in weight. It's all fully made of cardboard essentially. Full Golden Hour print on the top here. And so yeah, let's have a look inside. I believe it's one of those watches from the Asian region. Obviously, watch is housed in a little bit of a fabric, like cushion here, and like guarantee and instructions all tucked in the back there. I wanted to review this as well because apparently it's one of the most popular watches, on the most sold watches on Amazon. So I thought, go on, let's have a little look. So this is the Golden Hour Minimalist Sport 43mm with a 0.31 inch case thickness. Retails at £18 and uses a Japanese digital quartz movement. So let's look at the face here. So the face is obviously a digital face. You've got a sort of plain black dial on the back there. A little bit of sort of information about what the different buttons do on the side, as do most digital watches. Not going to go into this massively. There are 20 variants of colour that you can go for with these, loads of different choices in terms of the colour you want to go for. You've got a full alloy and resin case compound, going, funnily enough, make up the casing around the side. 5 atmospheric waterproofness. Let's remove this bit of plastic so we can have a better look without the marks on it. It says it might not even have one. It does. So you get a full backlight, you get a stopwatch, luminous display, alarm, week calendar as well. So you get lots of little features for it. It's very sort of easy to operate. You just select mode to get you through different sort of modes, funny enough. So we can change modes to sort of get to the stopwatch. The stopwatch is quite easy to use. The buttons are quite nice, really. They're very simple to use. There's no feedback when you push them in. They just simply press. Not to go and change the sort of date, but it seems to be very sort of easy to operate. Obviously no sort of crown to look at today, so we'll just move on straight to the strap. So the strap is a PU rubber strap, 22mm in width. Got a little bit of a sort of a dotted texture going all the way across it. And yeah, overall it's a bit more of a sort of a sporty look, really. Lots of windows in the strap, plenty of room for big wrist adjustment. Coming down to the buckle is housed in a bit of a cheap sort of pin, as you see the flimsiness of it moving. But that's not a big issue because this fulfills the function of just holding the strap on, and yeah, it's simply just used for these this buckle centerpiece here. 2 free roam holders for the strap to sit in. Come around the back, you've got a bit of a bumpy sort of rubber style. I think that'd be quite comfortable to wear. It's a nice feel to it. What a bonus of having this sort of particular watch is you can get easy access to those pins on the side there if you wanted to remove the strap or you didn't like it so much. So there's a full screw down case back as well. Got a little bit more information about the brand and stuff like that on the back. So there we go, guys. That is the Golden Hour Minimalist Sport.